Hello everyone, it's Mark here again, and welcome to the Create Client Reports overview video, where I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to use Places Scout to keep your clients updated with rank tracking reports. So let's get started. The Create Client Reports section of Places Scout allows you to easily create attractive, professional HTML ranking reports in seconds from all the ranking data that you gathered in the Track Local Ranking section of Places Scout. And what this does is it basically provides a more simplistic ranking report that your client will easily understand, and it helps bridge the gap between all the technical ranking information that's provided in the Track Local Ranking section and what your client actually needs to know, which is basically just the keyword in the rankings. So this feature of Places Scout is going to save you a ton of time in providing your clients with up-to-date rank tracking reports. And these reports are customizable with your own logo, so it appears as if the reports are coming from you. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to do this. So when you go to the Create Client Reports section of Places Scout, you're going to see all the ranking reports that you created in the Track Local Ranking section here under the Select Report tab. So these are all the ranking reports that I've created. So if I want to create a client HTML report, all I need to do is to click on one of these ranking reports and click the Update Report Preview button. And over to the right here, you're going to see exactly what the report's going to look like in a web browser to your client. So you'll see has an attractive header here. It's going to show the site that's being tracked. It's going to tell you the number of Google reviews that the site has. It's going to provide you with a Places page link for that listing, and it's going to provide you with a Google rating. So just some top-level metrics there. But as we scroll down, you're going to see how it's providing just the keyword and the location, the places rank. If there's a weekly or monthly change, it's going to provide that as well. And it's also going to provide the organic rank. So this is kind of an easy way to update your clients with their ranking information. It's a more simplistic form of this ranking data that you can easily send your clients. Now there's a couple things you can do here. Under the Report Data tab, you can choose what data you want to include in the report. So if you want to, say, exclude various keywords, you can uncheck them. Or if you want to exclude various locations, you can uncheck those as well. And then if you click the Update Report Preview button, it's going to remove those keywords and locations from the client HTML report. So I'm going to go ahead and add these back. Next, you can also customize these client HTML reports. And the way you do that is you go to the Customize Report tab. So here there's an option to add your own custom logo to the client HTML report. So this gives you some branding capabilities. Basically the logo will go right here in the upper left hand corner of the report. And there's also some notes about the dimensions that we recommend for this logo. So the logo shouldn't be any taller than 100 pixels, and it shouldn't be any wider than 200 pixels. This is just basically the space that's allocated right here. So if you go beyond that, the logo is going to stretch into some of these other elements. So it's recommended that you keep your logo within that size for the client HTML report. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to choose one of my logos that I've used. Let's see here. We'll go to the client HTML reports and we'll just use this custom logo here. So if I specify the logo and I hit the Update Report Preview button, I'm going to see my logo appear in the upper left hand corner. Now this is just some sample logo that I created. Now I can put my Places Scout logo there as well, and that looks a little bit better. But you can put whatever logo you want here, so it looks as if these reports are coming from your business, and it brands the report to your actual business. The next thing you can do is if you want to actually type some notes to your client regarding this ranking report, there's an Include Notes to Client box here where you can type some sample notes. These are some sample notes. You can mention some your rankings have improved for various keywords, and just kind of personalize the report for your clients. So anytime you make a change here, you can click the Update Report Preview button, and you'll see exactly what this report's going to look like in the web browser to your client. So you can see here, this is where the report notes are going to go in the ranking report. So that's pretty much how you do that. This section of Places Scout is pretty easy. So once you have the preview the way you want it, the last thing you're going to want to do is to click the Save Client Report button. And that will save this client HTML report to an HTML file. So I'll name this Sample Client Report. and it'll save it in the directory I choose. Now you're going to get this message here that says that it successfully saved the file, but please note that when you actually go to deploy this to your HTML server, that you include both the header and footer images as well as your custom logo. So what this means is that in the client report there's a header image and there's a footer image, and we've used a custom logo. So these images need to be uploaded to your web server in the same directory as the client HTML report so that they show properly. So the last step basically is you take this report and you would upload it to your web server and send your client a link to where you saved it so they can view it. So I'm just going to open this up in a web browser so you can see what it looks like. So this is pretty much what your client's going to see. So it's the same as what we saw in the report preview tab, but it has all the information here. So this section of Places Scout is extremely easy to use, and you can see how quickly I created a client HTML report that contains all their ranking information from a rank tracker report that we created in the Track Local Ranking section. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and you can continue on with the Citation Finder video next.